a great choice today with the 2020 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, compass, fog lights, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console, rear view camera, front reading lamps. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.